Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from It for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, BLW Turbo app or Forex Trendy. Which app is better for binary options trading? And in today's video, I will use the both app BLW Turbo app by Christian AP and also Forex Trendy in order to place some trades into my binary option broker account. So if you want to see which one is better, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so as I said in today's video, I will use signals from BLW Turbo app and also from Forex Trendy. As you can see here, I'm in my BLW Turbo app dashboard, and I've set some notification for Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP, GPI, Euro Swiss franc, Euro Japanese yen, and of course here are some signal received today from BLW Turbo Strategy app. Let's go, and what I will do when a signal arrive, I will go into my broker account, into my binary cent account, and I will place and also I will use some Forex Trendy trend scanner, which is a trend scanner. I will use its signals in order to place trades on 5-minute chart into my broker account. As you can see now, I have GBP USD. It is a signal which is a sell signal. Let's have a look on GBP USD, and the signal has arrived somewhere here, and now it was a downtrend, and now it's going up. So if it is a sell signal, I will put a reverse, which is called a reverse, and I will put a call, in fact. So let's wait this trend to go back down, and I will place only $50 trade. Let's wait a little bit here in order to bounce back again, and I will place the trade. I think now it's the moment. Yes, I've placed the trades here, and now it's going up. So what I mean that I will place a reverse. If the signal from Forex Trendy it's showing me that this is a sell signal, I will place a call signal, because Forex Trendy is it's showing the signals based on formation, on patterns. Like as you can see here, it formed a triangle. Here it was formed on AUD USD. It was formed a rising wedge. Okay, and it was a downtrend, but the trend is going up again on 5 minutes trades, which also now we have a BLW signal. Okay, as you can see here, we have a call signal on GBP USD. So let's go to our broker. A call signal on GBP. Now we are on GBP USD, and again, as you can see, I've put this one here, and let's put another one here. Okay, so we have two trades on GBP USD, one here placed and one here. This is based on Forex Trendy reverse signal, and this is based on BLW Turbo Strategy app signal, and as you can see is going up. So if it's a put, if it's a call, if it's a buy signal, if it's a buy trade, the trade should be end after 5 minutes above this green line, and if it's a sell, should be ended below this below the line. It will be a red line here. Of course, many of you know how binary options work. So let's wait and see what will happen with these two trades. So as I said, I have 3 trades here, so we don't take into consideration this one. GBP USD and GBP USD, and as you can see here, one was in the money and the other one was out of the money. No, sorry, one trade is not closed yet, but we are in the money, as you can see here. And let's wait what will happen, and we are waiting for new signals from Forex Trendy and also from BLW Turbo Strategy. So for those of you who don't know how to attend, if you want to go and attend to Christian AP Turbo Strategy app, I put a video somewhere here. I've registered the video a few 3 weeks ago, and I'm showing you how you can register, and the cost of this app is $165, I think. I don't know if they have a discount right now. This is a discounted price if you access the link below this video in the description area. And Forex Trendy, it's a little cheaper, but it's a little bit harder to use, because you have to know how to set the settings, and of course when you have to place the trades on reverse trading, like this. If you are using this for 5 minutes trading binary option, if you are using this for Forex trading, you will use other strategy. Okay, so we have another signal. Let's have a look. We have a US dollar Japanese yen, a put, as you can see here. Let's go to our US dollar. This was in the money also, as you can see. US dollar Japanese yen, and this is a put, this is a sell. Let's click on put. It was a sell signal, and let's wait and see what will happen. This BLW Turbo Strategy, it's more a expert advisor, but it's very, very powerful in my opinion, because I've made a lot of money using it. It's very user friendly. It's made for newbies traders for binary options. You can use it only for 5 minute strategies. Okay, in binary options, you cannot use this one for Forex trading. I will make other videos for Forex strategies, and what kind of strategy you should use, what kind of robots or I don't know, apps. By the way, a new Forex robot, it's on its way. So when it will be launched, I will inform you. I will make a video and I will inform you about that new Forex robot that will be launched soon. All right, so let's wait for this one. So as you can see, this was a put, and now we are above the line, so we should be below the line after expiring time here. So let's wait and see what will happen. Let's check it again. Yeah, it was a put. US dollar Japanese yen, it was a put, as you can see here. It's very important when you use BLW Turbo Strategy app to use it on 5 minutes, not on 1, 2, 3 minutes, 6 minutes. No, 5 minutes. Otherwise it will not work properly. So as you can see, this one is going up. So for Forex Trendy, this one is in the market for a few years. So a lot of traders are using it more for forex trades, not for binary options. But if you are using it in the way I'm using it, when you receive a signal, you make a reverse trade. That means if the signal is put is for buy, you make sell trading and vice versa. But be careful because you have to make these settings the way I made it. So if you want to use Forex Trendy, if you use the link below this video in the description area to purchase it, I told you it's around $35 and you will pay it quarterly every 3 months. I will send you the settings, but you have to send me the proof that you purchased the Forex Trendy through my link. All right. Let's see. No, it's not done yet. Okay, so this is out of the money. Let's have a look here on close trades. Yeah, okay, so we have 2 in the money and 1 out of the money. Now as you can see, the amount I'm trading is $50, but I will increase this amount. All right, so let's wait for another signal from BLW Turbo Strategy app or Forex Trendy. Let's see which one will be the first. I will skip this video and I will be back when a signal will arrive. All right. So we have a signal from BLW Turbo Strategy app. We have GBP USD, which is a put. GBP USD a put. Let's go to our broker GBP. Let's find GBP USD. Here it is, GBP USD. It's a put. Let's increase this one to 500. All right. So we have it here. It's a $500. Okay, and now as you can see, it's going in a good direction. It was a sell, and at the end of the expiring time, we should be below this red line. So now we are in the money. So let's just wait to see what will happen until the end, until the expiration time. The best thing for this BLW Turbo Strategy app is that you can set these alerts, and if you are not nearby your laptop or PC, or maybe you can use it on your phone or your tablet, you can have these alerts and you will be able to use that signal. It's very user friendly, as I told you earlier. It's very easy to use, and you can make a lot of money using it. Of course, you have to use a good broker, a good binary option broker in order to make these trades. If you don't have a binary option broker, you can email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com and I can suggest you a good binary option broker. So let's go back to see how our trade is doing, and we are good so far. We are below, so the trade, it was going down as the BLW Turbo app signal shown us. Let's have a look on Forex Trendy. No, we don't have any signal. Forex Trendy doesn't provide you too much signals. As you can see here, we have 337 at 308, so it's around 20 minutes between 20-30 minutes between every signal. Here are 1 2 3 4 5 6 trades, which are 6 signals which are nearby, on 4 2 10 to 16 to 28 to 33 to 34. So and from 11:15 no signals, no signal until 2 o'clock. So depends, but a good trend scanner doesn't have to provide you with signals from 1 to 1 minute. If you receive, I don't know, 10 signals per day, and this from 10 signals 7 are in the money, then you will be in the money at the end of that day. Oh, and we have another signal. Let's see, BLW turbo rates, US dollar Japanese yen, which was a call. US dollar Japanese yen, a call. Let's go and see. US dollar Japanese yen. Let's see what will happen with this trade, because it's already done. All right, and we are in the money. As you can see here, result $850 profit. So let's have a look again on that. BLW is US dollar Japanese yen, it was a call. US dollar Japanese yen, it was a call. Let's find it. US dollar Japanese yen. Let's see the chart, and we are here. Let's wait a little bit. Now let's make this one $100, and now is the moment, I think. All right, so I placed here is the trade. It's based on BLW turbo strategy signals. It was a call, it was a buy, and here is the purchase line. So we should be at the end of the time, at the end of the expiration time, at the end of this 5 minutes, we should be above this green line in order to be in the money. So let's wait and see how this trade will be finished. And I think I am done today with BLW turbo strategy and Forex Trendy binary options signals. Okay, I will skip this video for 3-4 minutes, and I will be back with the results of this trade. Just 1 second. Alright, I'm back with the results of last trade, and as you can see here, it was in the money. US dollar Japanese yen, it was in the money, $177 profit. So as you can see, for today's trading session, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades, and 6 are in the money and 2 are out of the money. So that's it. That was the trading session for today. We have a pretty good profit for today, around $500. So if you want to use BLW turbo strategy, I'll put a link below this video in the description area. If you want to try Forex Trendy, which I didn't receive too much signals today in today's trading session, but one signal, it was in the money. I'll put also the link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. Be careful, because there are a lot of fake websites that are copying these trading apps, and it is safer for you to use it from my description below this video. So that's the video for today. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.